A boy once found an injured bird in the grass. Its wing was bent, its eyes afraid. So he picked it up gently and took it home. He cared for it for days, feeding it, warming it, talking to it. He even named it Feather. And soon the bird healed. One morning, Feather stood on the open windowsill, wings stretched wide, ready. But the boy panicked.
What if something hurts you again? What if you forget me?
His grandmother sat beside him, silent for a moment, and she whispered,
Some things are meant to be held gently, not tightly. If they fly, it means you did well.
So with a shaky breath, he let go. Feather flew high, dipped once in the sky as if to say thank you, and vanished into the wind. He still missed Feather. But now the sky looked different, not empty, but full of possibilities. Sometimes love means letting go. Not because you don't care, but because you do.